my name is Victoria and I'm from the Shwab Club, and I am out here at Ellington Agricultural Center with my dog. Brad, say hi! And we are running, or attempting to run. Run keeps stopping, but I just want to encourage all of you to go out and get active, take in nature. It feels amazing out here. So I just got back home from running with my dog and it felt so good outside. I just want to encourage all of you to go outside, ride a bike, play basketball, run, take your dog on a walk. Make sure you hydrate afterwards. And I hope to see all of you soon. I miss all of you. I hope you are enjoying your time off from school. And I hope to see y'all soon. I hope y'all have a good rest of your day. Tune in tomorrow.